Bugs happen to everyone, but debugging skills turn problems into wins. Visual Studio comes packed with powerful tools to help you track down issues fast and understand exactly what is happening in your code. Breakpoints are your best friend when debugging. Click the left margin next to any line of code to add a red dot. When your program runs, it pauses right at that breakpoint, letting you inspect everything. You can see variable values, check the program state, and step through execution line by line to see exactly what is happening. Visual Studio gives you several stepping commands. Press F10 to step over methods, executing them without going inside. Press F11 to step into methods to see their internal logic, and press F5 to continue running until the next breakpoint. Always read the error messages carefully. They'll tell you exactly what happened and where the problem occurred.